how to restore deleted pins on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, before we begin, here's something very important to know. Pinterest does not allow you to restore permanently deleted pins. Once a pin is deleted, it cannot be recovered. But some pins or boards are archived and not deleted, and you can unarchive them. So I'll show you how to do it. You can go to your Pinterest app and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. And then under the boards tab, you can see archived section. Just tap on it and you'll find all of your archived pins here. These are the pins that are not deleted but hidden. So you can just tap on it and then tap on the three dots in the top right and unarchive board. Now, once you unarchive it, it will be visible in your profile. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Unfortunately, deleted pins cannot be restored, so make sure you don't delete it but archive it if you don't want it on your profile. So keep important pins saved in multiple boards and double check before tapping delete. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.